And right off the bat, she's really pretty. The texture is really nice. It's very shiny and also like, it smells really good. A lot of wigs don't smell good. I know most wig wearers know that. And this is a lace front wig. It is a mono top with a machine welted back. So if you look on the inside of the cap, you're gonna see a nude lace here. And then in the very back, you'll see the wefts. And if you're anything like me, you have a tiny pea head. Luckily for me, there are adjustable straps on the inside. So we're gonna go ahead and try her on. Alright you guys, so this is Miranda. This is a mono top human hair wig. She is ready to wear, ready to go, straight out of the box. I can still do the shape test and she's not going anywhere. I know you guys all see me wear so many different hairstyles and I would love to know your thoughts in the comments below. Please share what you think about Miranda, the color, the cut, the shape, even the style. I am very curious to know what you guys think about Miranda from UniWigs.